Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a home renovation services using Shopify. First, be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go over here to the product section and we're going to click on add product. Here we're going to start filling everything with our service information. For example, we're going to start with our minimalistic bedroom renovation. So once we have the title, we're going to go over here to the description and we're going to paste our title. Here we're going to click on generate. And as you can see, Shopify is going to use its built-in AI to generate a description for us. Here we can either choose to generate a description again or just click keep to keep the one we already have. For media, we're going to click here on upload new and we're going to choose an image for our product. Below our image, we're going to have, as you can see, the category section, and usually Shopify is going to choose a category for us, which is almost always going to be correct. But if we click over here, we can change it if we want. Here we're going to have a product type, vendor, collections, and tags section. For collections, make sure you add your product to your home page. And in tags, we can put, for example, home renovation. On product type, if we want, we can put that it's a service. And next, we are going to go over here to the pricing section. And here we are going to, let's say, we're going to charge around 80,000 pesos for our home renovation. And our cost per item is going to be around 40,000 pesos. For inventory, we're just going to uncheck this because we're not going to keep track of it. And here we also have a shipping section to assign a weight to our product, but since it's a service, we're just going to skip this and we're going to save our changes. So once we are done, we can see that we would have our first product uploaded. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on add product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products that I want on my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. So as you can see, I have added all of the products that I want in my store. I have added a modern kitchen renovation, a modern bathroom renovation, and also a minimalistic living room renovation. So next, we're going to go over here to our online store and we're going to start to customize it. First, we're going to be able to change its theme. So if we go down, you can see that Shopify is going to provide us with a bunch of different free themes. But if we want, we can go over here to the Shopify theme store. And here we're going to be able, once it's hit there, we're going to be able to see a lot more of different free themes. Some of these themes may better suit our website, but for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So once we are back over here, we're going to click on customize and we're going to be able to change all of these sections that we're going to have on our website. Each section is going to be outlined by this blue line, and here on the top left, the name of the section is going to appear. On the right, we're going to have a lot of different options to customize our section. For example, this is our image banner, so we're going to click here on select, add images to select an image to be our banner. Once it's done processing, we're going to click on done. And as you can see here, the background of our banner is going to change. Next, we're going to click on our heading and we're going to change the text right over here on the right. For example, we're going to put welcome to my home renovation website. As you can see, the text has now changed. Now, let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here on the left on template, and we're going to click on add section. Here we're going to choose one of the options. We're going to have a featured collection, a featured product, collections list, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product, and as you can see, the new section is going to appear right at the bottom. Now here we're going to select it, and on the top right we're going to select a product to be displayed right over here. For example, I'm going to choose my minimalistic living room renovation, and as you can see, our product is going to be displayed right over here. Now let's say that we want to change the color scheme, for example, and we're going to put a nice dark theme on this section. Now let's say that we have added a new section by mistake. For example, we're going to add a featured collection and we want to delete it. we only have to make sure that we have this section we want to delete selected, and we're going to go over here on the bottom right and we're going to click on remove. Now there are a lot of other things we can do. For example, we can add a section to our footer. We can add here an email sign up or a custom liquid, and the same goes for our header. Here we can add a custom liquid or an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is going to be that right over here our store's name is going to be displayed. For example, here it says my store, and in order to change it we're going to save our changes, we're going to exit, and right here on the home page of Shopify we're going to click on name store again, and here we are going to be able to change our store's name. For example, I'm going to put home renovation, and we're going to save our changes. Now, in order to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to go back to our online store. We're going to click on the three dots, preview, and this is going to redirect us to our website. Here, as you can see on our header, the name of our store has now changed, and we can go down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want. So once we are done checking up our website, we are going to go back over here in order to see the analytics and marketing section. Now this is going to be a really important section for us, guys, because we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and a lot of other things, for example, such as which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, and many other things which are going to really help us manage, customize, and just really customize our website, all from the same place. So lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section. Here, if we click on add discount, we're going to choose an amount of products. We are going to be able to create our own customizable discount for our store. Here we can choose the code for it. For example, I'm going to put renovation 101, or we can just click over here so that Shopify is going to create a random code for us. Below it, we're going to be able to see which kind of discount it's going to be. For example, we can either choose a percentage or a fixed amount. I'm going to choose a percentage amount, which is going to be around 10% discount. Here we're going to choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, we're going to browse and we're going to choose our homepage collection. If we keep going down, you can see that we have further options to customize our discount. For example, if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and lastly here, if we click on set end date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 27th, and once we are done, we're going to save our discount right over here, and we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So I'll see you guys next time.